Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over pretty much repair or replace. And if you hear this sound, I don't know if we can get it. Kind of sounds like an airplane taking off. I'll say give us a second as it's going to that high-speed spin. What that pretty much is your bearing going out. This one, the bearing's completely shot on. We know that just by that sound. That high-speed plane taking off, or almost like a turbine sound, is that bearing not able to catch. Teeth are broken. It's just kind of spinning loosely like that, making a lot of noise, really loud. In this particular case, when you have a bad bearing like that, it's probably going to be a little bit better for you to replace that unit. Just strictly because of the repair alone is going to cost a lot. The parts, especially now with everything going on, parts are on back order. A lot of places do have appliances. They don't have as many parts, so we're just seeing a lot of stuff getting pushed back. You're going to be paying, like I said, a couple $100s to have the parts put on, then someone to diagnose it. At that point, you really got to weigh your options. If you really like that unit that you're willing to spend, a couple $100 on, when, for an extra 100, 200, you can just do that. You can just buy a new one. Now, for those of you that didn't hear me, when you hear that loud airplane almost taking off sound is when you're gonna pretty much want to replace your unit at that point. When you have that loud noise, like I said, that bearing is completely shot. It's not gonna be able to operate as it properly needs to. And if you're looking at a repair, it's gonna be several $100s to have someone out there replace it. And you're gonna be a couple days without a machine, depending on part backups, stuff like that, with everything going on. Like I said, for an extra $100, $200, you're probably better off getting a brand new unit. That way you don't have to worry about that type of thing. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.